I'm about to review the Dinkhiiro Pickleball Set, which includes 4 fiberglass paddles and 4 balls. If at any time during this review you're interested in checking out this pickleball set and grabbing it at a great price, don't forget to check the links below the video. If you've ever been curious about trying pickleball, this Dinkhiiro Pickleball Paddle Set could be your perfect entry point. It includes everything you need for a fun game with friends or family. 4 lightweight fiberglass paddles, 2 indoor and 2 outdoor balls, a spacious paddle bag, and a super handy waist ball holder for quick and easy ball pickups. What sets this set apart is the balance between control and power. The paddles are just 8 ounces, light enough to prevent wrist and shoulder fatigue, but sturdy enough to give you strong, impactful shots. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate player, the extra large sweet spot on these paddles makes every hit feel satisfying. Plus, thanks to the 13mm fiberglass face, you get softer touches and quieter play, ideal if you're in a noise-sensitive area. Now, for practicality. This paddle set is perfect for those who want quality without breaking the bank. The durable honeycomb core and protective edge guard ensure your paddles last even after hitting the ground a few times. And the roomy bag? It's great for holding all your gear, making it easy to transport everything in one go. On the flip side, the only potential downside is that while the paddles are lightweight and offer excellent control, more advanced players might want something with even more power for competitive play. But overall, for beginners and intermediate players, this set hits the sweet spot in every way. Don't miss out on this great deal. Check the links below the video and snag yours today. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.